hogs come alive every day and night.
Hello, hobby fun timers. It's Chris Elwood here from Elwood's Hobby Fun Time. I have this popcorn box that I didn't want to throw away, so I like chipboard, but I don't always have enough chipboard on hand, and sometimes I don't want to buy it, and I don't like throwing things away. So you just cut up your cereal box or your popcorn box, whatever you have. This mat knife is something I got that I like a lot. It's a retractable blade. There's a link in the description below if you want to buy one off Amazon. I think they're like 10 bucks. I'll get like 14 cents, I think. But yeah, so you have your pieces here, and then you just put some Mod Podge on them, sandwich them together, and you'll have a more sturdy chipboard. There's that mat knife. Yeah, it's nice. Very sharp. Be careful, kids. And all these scraps, later on I'll do something with those. Maybe I'll probably glue those together as well. But here's some Mod Podge. I'm going to put that on, paint it on each side. See that bottle? I didn't throw that away either, huh? Just poured some Mod Podge into that. And yeah, we're good to go. Oh, made a little mistake. I don't want to waste any Mod Podge. Clean up the workspace, wipe that excess off, go really fast and paint this on there. I'm just joking. I sped up the video. You probably knew that already though. So got that there, and yeah, make sure you get all the edges so that it stays together really well after you're done, after it's dried, and sandwich it together. And you got a little snack. Nope, don't eat that. It's cardboard. So make sure it's all smushed together nice. And now we gotta find something heavy to sit on top of it while it dries so it stays nice and flat. Find something you don't care about too much, put it on there. And then go find something that's heavy. Put it on there. That's right. Oh, that's heavy. That's not for my bullets. That's for my RC car batteries. Lipos are dangerous. Might catch on fire. A little more weight just in case. And Belisarius Call approves. Thanks for watching.
Where hogs come alive every day.